I'm going replacing this big bit here with this little bit tail tidy. Get your seat off. And you have to get these 4 bolts off. So I'll do that now. When you have the 4 bolts undone, this will drop and the wire will be connected into here. So disconnect those and bring it out. When you have this bit on the floor, you then take out this nut and the 4 screws here, and this bit comes off. And then you want to get your wires. Where's it? With this, I'm going to be mounting the original indicators here, so I'm going to need the indicators, and I'm going to need the wiring to the number plate light, but I can cut it. It says 2 centimeters back, so that if you want to use this original one again eventually, there's enough wire to connect again. So I'll be cutting it around here. So I've cut that for the number plate light, and then you undo the bolts holding the indicators on, and you undo these wires so you can take the indicator away from that, and then you fit your indicator to this, and this spacer here that comes away with it. It was a bit tight fitting into this hole, so yeah, it is tight, but it'll get in. Two indicators connected to the new number plate holder, and all the wires plugged back in. The wire coming off of the light on this one, you have to put these tiny little connectors on. Struggled with them for a bit, but struggle away and you'll get them done. There she is now. You feed your wires back up through the original hole in here, and you feed this down here. You plug it in. Didn't plug it in yet. And you use different bolts putting it back on. Came with a washer and a nut and a hex head bolt there. And I'd say I'll use a bit of tape or something to protect them wires, or block that hole. I don't know. Do something later though. I'll go for a spin. And there she is. I think it makes a nice difference. Getting rid of the big dirty plastic off the back. What do you think, Freya?